Ready? Hello, I'm Drew Canoli, founder of Organifi, and if you're watching this, it means I've successfully sent this video back into time. And you're wondering if Organifi is a good fit for you. Well, I don't know. Do you care about making a positive difference in the world? Do you have a love for superfoods? And are you passionate about growing as a person? As I look back over the past decades, it's been amazing to see some of the things we've accomplished. Absolutely incredible what we've done as a team together, the lives that we've impacted, the families that we've touched, the transformations we have seen. People have changed their weight, they've cleared up their skin, they found more energy than they ever thought was possible, and they got their lives back. I mean, look at some of these. This is amazing. All thanks to the belief in themselves and the superfoods to empower their journey. We also saw a lot of things that honestly just took us by surprise. Scientists have discovered that Organifi products, now we have the ability to breathe in space. It's absolutely incredible. This, of course, led to the colonization of Mars and so much more. We are living in an exciting time, my friend. But let's get back to you. This is the hockey stick moment, my friend. The point in time which brings to the good world life-changing algorithm that we've calculated here at Organifi. And here we are at this point in time. Let's take a look.
I wanted to help change people's lives. I started as a customer myself and I loved it so much. I saw such amazing results that I was like, what is this stuff? Who owns this stuff? Let me go find out. And I looked it up and it was Drew Canoli was a part of that Organifi magic, and I contacted him. I said, whatever it takes, I'll work for you guys. I want to help change people's lives.
We help people create new habits, and habits are kind of that architecture for your reality. Drew really stood out because he was this radical demonstration of what he was teaching, and really something so special that we brought to Organifi.
I believe in two things: working hard, working smart. Also land ownership. I saw a group of people who were doing something that mattered, something that they cared about, and I liked the authenticity that I saw in the leadership.
The people that I work with are very heart-centered. I say that with the sincerest form of honesty that I can, because you walk into this office, you meet somebody at an event, and there is this instant outpouring of love and very devoted attention. And in a world full of mobile phones and notifications going off every 2 seconds, being able to have somebody's attention that feels heartfelt is very powerful. It's very fulfilling.
Getting a chance to see the CEO almost on a daily basis that was a big shock to me. The only other time I'd been in a scenario where I could see the actual owner was because it was a store maybe the size of this room, and the owner was there every day, and they were super friendly, but it was because they had to be there, not because they wanted to be there.
The first core value we had was, we're in this together. It was something that Drew closed every single video with, and it actually was the demonstration of him doing the transformation with the audience or with the community. No, we're in this together. It was magic.
These weren't people who were fake, but just in their natural habitat. These were people who looked alive, they looked friendly, they looked like they loved being there, and I wanted to be part of that. And I was just surprised to work at a place that fostered so much community and friendship amongst its coworkers. Waffle Wednesday, every single answer, yeah. Why did you want to work at Waffle Wednesday? Yeah.
3 things I love about the culture. Number 1, the energy, right? Literally every Monday, I wake up and I springboard out of bed because I'm excited to be immersed in the energy. I would say number 2 is, when I go to bed at night, I'm smiling every single day, ear to ear, because I know that I made a difference in somebody's life. And number 3 is, everybody's growing here, and I love to see growth.
Every person that I speak to is a life that can change, right over the phone, right in front of my eyes, and it's powerful stuff.
We're on a mission to transform the world through health and happiness. We reach for new heights, we strengthen each other, we have so much fun, and we get shit done. Apply today, and remember, we're in this together.